If you're looking to use Monday.com for event ticket sales, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll walk you through how to set it up and why, despite its strengths, it might not be the best solution for everyone. Monday.com can be a game changer for organizing event ticket sales, but it's important to understand its strengths and limitations. Let's dive into how it works and if it can truly meet your needs for event management. The first thing you'll want to do is set up a board dedicated to your event. Create columns for key details like event name, ticket type, quantity, sales status, and customer contact information. You can even color code tickets based on their status, whether they're available, sold, or reserved. This gives you a clear visual of how everything is progressing at a glance. Next thing you'll need to do is use Monday.com's automation features to streamline communication and ticket tracking. You can automate notifications when someone buys a ticket or when a ticket is sold out. This will save you time and reduce manual errors by keeping your team and customers updated automatically. The third thing you might want to explore is integrating Monday.com with your payment processor or event platform. While Monday.com doesn't directly handle payments, you can set up integrations with platforms like Stripe, Eventbrite, or PayPal to track payments and sync data. This integration will give you a full view of the ticket sales pipeline, from initial purchase to completed transactions. Now, while all these features sound great, there's a limitation to consider. Monday.com was designed primarily for project management and not specifically for event sales. It can get complicated if you have a large volume of ticket transactions or need advanced ticketing features like seating charts, custom pricing, or dynamic pricing adjustments. For that reason, while it's a great tool, it might not be the best fit if you need something that's tailor-made for ticketing. The fourth thing you should think about is collaboration. Monday.com excels here, allowing you to easily assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress across your team. You can give each team member access to different parts of the board, making sure everyone is on the same page without overwhelming them with irrelevant information. But let's be honest, despite its versatility, Monday.com is just one of many tools out there. You could get a better experience with more specialized event ticketing platforms that are designed with your exact needs in mind. Platforms like Eventbrite, or even tools like Tix or TicketTailor, might offer you more ticket-focused functionality and be better at handling high-volume transactions. And here's the part you'll want to pay attention to. If you're sold on the features Monday.com offers, I've got something special for you. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial, plus additional benefits that you won't find anywhere else. But that's not all. I've also included some fantastic alternatives that might just work better for your event ticket sales goals, alternatives that come with free trials too. So, don't just settle for the first solution you find. Watch the full video to find out which option will truly meet your needs, and click the link below for the best offers on your next event ticketing solution.